Dear 12th class students, I have told you in my previous video properties related inverse trigonometric functions, and I have told you 4 properties related inverse trigonometric functions. In this video I am going to tell you some more properties related inverse trigonometric functions. You see property 5. And this property 5 is also called reciprocal relation. Here first property is sin inverse 1 by x equal cosec inverse x. And here applied condition mod of x is greater or equal 1. This condition we may write as x greater or equal 1, x is less or equal minus 1, or we may write this as x belongs to r minus open interval minus 1, 1. Second property is cos inverse 1 by x equal sec inverse x. Here applied condition same as property first, mod of x is greater or equal 1. Third property tan inverse 1 by x equal cot inverse x. Here applied condition will be x greater 0. Similarly, we may write next 3 properties. Property 4 cosec inverse 1 by x, cosec inverse 1 by x equals sin inverse x. And here applied condition mod of x is less or equal 1. Reverse as condition in property first. So fifth property is sec inverse 1 by x equal cos inverse x. Here applied condition will be also modulus x is less or equal 1, and sixth property cot inverse 1 by x is equal to tan inverse x. Here applied condition x greater 0. We prove property second. prove property second. Cos inverse 1 by x, cos inverse 1 by x equal sec inverse x. For proving this property, let cos inverse 1 by x equal theta. Then we may write as cos theta equal 1 by x and theta equal cos inverse, or we may write as sec theta. Sec theta equal 1 by x will be equal to x. So we may write theta equals sec inverse x. Put the value of theta, who is cos inverse 1 by x, we may write cos inverse 1 by x equals sec inverse x. Hence prove. You can prove remaining all properties as this. Next, property 6. Property 6. First, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal pi by 2, and here applied condition x belongs to closed interval -1, 1. Second, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to also pi by 2, and here x belongs to real number. And third, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal pi by 2, and here applied condition mod of x is greater or equal 1. Mod of x is greater or equal 1. You see, prove property third. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal pi by 2. For proving this, let sec inverse x equal theta. Then we may write sec theta equal x, or we may write as x equals sec theta, and we may write x equal cosec pi by 2 minus theta. Since you know already cosec pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and we may write pi by 2 minus theta equal cosec inverse x theta plus cosec inverse x equal pi by 2. Put here value of theta equal sec inverse x. We may write sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal pi by 2. Similarly, you can prove remaining properties first and second. Property number 7, mutual conversions. Property 7, mutual conversions. बच्चों, साइन इनवर्स एक्स को tan इनवर्स के फॉर्म में, काट इनवर्स के फॉर्म में, कास इनवर्स के फॉर्म में, सेक इनवर्स के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है. Here you see, let sin inverse x equal theta, then x equals sin theta. We may write sin square theta equal x square, or 1 minus cos square theta equal x square, or we may write as cos square theta equal 1 minus x square, or cos theta equal square root 1 minus x square. We may write theta equal cos inverse square root 1 minus x square. Put here value of theta equal sin inverse x. So we get sin inverse x equal cos inverse square root 1 minus x square. sin इनवर्स x को cos इनवर्स के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने पर cos इनवर्स अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर होगा sin इनवर्स x का मान. Here suppose this is first relation and this is second relation. Dividing first by 2, first by second, we get tan theta equal x by under root 1 minus x square. We get here theta equal tan inverse x by under root 1 minus x square. Put here value of theta equals sin inverse x equal tan inverse x by under root 1 minus x square. This is the value of sin inverse in form tan inverse. If we want to convert sin inverse in sec inverse form, then from here, second, we may write sec theta equal 1 by under root 1 minus x square. We get theta equals sec inverse 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Put here value of theta equals sin inverse x. We get sin inverse x equals sec inverse 1 by under root 1 minus x square. This is the value of sin inverse x in form sec inverse. Next, if we want to convert cot inverse form, then divide second by first, dividing equation second by first. We may write here cot theta equal under root 1 minus x square divided by x. We may write theta equal cot inverse under root 1 minus x square divided by x. Put here value of theta equals sin inverse x cot inverse under root 1 minus x square divided by x. This is the value of sin inverse x in form cot inverse. बच्चों, इसी प्रकार से tan इनवर्स x को sin इनवर्स के फॉर्म में, cot इनवर्स के फॉर्म में, sec इनवर्स के फॉर्म में, जो भी इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना चाहें कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 8, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Property number 8, first property is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. And here applied condition xy is less 1, xy is less 1. बच्चों, इस प्रॉपर्टी का यूज तभी कर सकते हैं जबकि यह कंडीशन अप्लाई हो, मीन्स एक्स वाई की वैल्यू 1 से लेस होनी चाहिए, तभी tan इनवर्स x प्लस tan इनवर्स y इक्वल tan इनवर्स x प्लस y डिवाइड बाई 1 माइनस एक्स वाई होगा। सेकेंड, tan इनवर्स x माइनस tan इनवर्स y, tan इनवर्स x माइनस tan इनवर्स y इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स x माइनस y डिवाइड बाई 1 प्लस एक्स वाई, एंड हियर एक्स वाई will be greater 1. Third, 2 tan inverse x equal tan inverse 2x, 2 tan inverse x equal tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square, and here applied condition x less 1 or x greater 1, or we may write mod of x is less 1, mod of x is less 1. This condition we may write as x less 1 or x greater minus 1. Now you see prove first property. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x y. बच्चों, ये जो कंडीशन गिवन है इनका यूज हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है, ये केवल इसीलिए गिवन है कि जहां एक्स वाई की वैल्यू 1 से लेस होगी वही हम इस प्रॉपर्टी को लागू कर सकते हैं। फॉर प्रूविंग दिस, लेट tan इनवर्स x इक्वल a, then we get x equal tan a, and tan inverse y equal b, then we get y equal tan b. Since you know that tan a plus b equal tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b, we may write here a plus b equal tan inverse tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Put here value of a and b. We may write tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse here tan A equal x, x plus tan B equal y, divided by 1 minus xy. This property is proved. Next, you see property number 3. Prove property number 3. 2 tan inverse x equal tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square. For proving this, let tan inverse x equal a. Then we may write x equal tan a. Since you know that tan 2a equal 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. We may write this as 2a equal tan inverse 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Here put the value of a and here put the value of tan a. We may write 2 into a equal tan inverse x. So we may write 2 tan inverse x equal tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square. This property is. Similarly, you can prove property second, and for proving second property, you use identity tan a minus b equal tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Next, property 9, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x square. Property 9. First property is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x square. And here applied condition xy is less 0 and x square plus y square greater 1. Next, second property, sin inverse x plus minus sin inverse y equals sin inverse x under root 1 minus y square minus y under root 1 minus x square. Here applied condition xy greater 0 and x square plus y square greater 1. Third property, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy minus under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 minus y square. And here applied condition x greater or equal minus 1, y is less or equal 1. X greater or equal minus 1, y is less or equal 1, and x plus y greater or equal 0. X plus y greater or equal 0. Fourth property, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, cos inverse x minus cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy plus under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 minus y square. And here applied condition x greater or equal minus 1, y is less or equal 1, and x is less or equal y. X greater or equal minus 1, y is less or equal 1, and x is less or equal y. You see, prove property first. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equals sin inverse x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x square. For proving this property, let sin inverse x equal alpha, then we may write x equals sin alpha, and sin inverse y equal beta, then we may write y equals sin beta. You know that sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. We may write alpha plus beta equals sin inverse sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. We may write cos beta in form sin beta and cos alpha in form sin alpha. We may write alpha plus beta equals sin inverse sin alpha into under root 1 minus sin square beta plus sin beta into under root 1 minus sin square alpha. Since you know that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal 1, so we may write here cos beta equal under root 1 minus sin square beta and cos alpha equal under root 1 minus sin square alpha. Put here value of alpha and beta and sin alpha sin beta. We may write alpha sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equals sin inverse sin alpha equal x under root 1 minus sin beta y plus sin beta y under root 1 minus x square. Hence true. For proving second property, you use identity sin a minus b equals sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, and property third cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy minus under root 1 minus x square under root 1 minus y square. See, prove property third. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy minus under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 minus y square. For proving this property, let cos inverse x equal alpha, then we get x equal cos alpha. Similarly, if cos inverse y equal beta, then we get y equal cos beta. Now apply cos alpha plus beta. Since you know that cos alpha plus beta equal cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. We may write this as alpha plus beta equal cos inverse cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Put here value of alpha and beta. And here cos alpha and cos beta, but here convert sin alpha and sin beta in form cos alpha and cos beta. We may write alpha plus beta equal cos inverse cos alpha cos beta minus under root 1 minus cos square alpha into under root 1 minus cos square beta. Now we will put value of alpha and beta and value of cos alpha and cos beta. We will get property cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy minus under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 minus y square. Alpha equal cos inverse x plus beta equal cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy, since cos alpha equal x and cos beta equal y, so put here value of cos alpha and cos beta. We get xy minus under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 minus y square. This property is true. Similarly, you can prove cos inverse x minus cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy plus under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 minus y square. For proving cos inverse x minus cos inverse y equal this, you use identity cos alpha minus beta equal cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Next property, one minute. Property number 10. Two sin inverse x equals sin inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. Property number 10. First, 2 sin inverse x equals sin inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. And here applied condition x greater or equal minus 1 by root 2, x greater or equal minus 1 by root 2 is less or equal 1 by root 2. and second property 2 cos inverse x equal cos inverse 2x square minus 1. 2 cos inverse x equal cos inverse 2x square minus 1, and here applied condition x is less or equal 1 and greater or equal 0. X greater or equal 0 is less or equal 1. See proof of property first. Sin inverse 2 sin inverse x equals sin inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. For proving this property, let sin inverse x equal theta. Then x equal sin theta. Now we will use identity sin 2 theta equal 2 sin theta cos theta, or we may write sin 2 theta equal 2 sin theta into under root 1 minus sin square theta. Since you know that already cos theta equal under root 1 minus sin square theta, we may write 2 theta equal sin inverse 2 sin theta under root 1 minus sin square theta. Put the value of theta and sin theta. We may write 2 sin inverse x equals sin inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. Same, you can prove property second, and for proving second property, you use identity cos 2 theta equal 2 cos square theta minus 1. Next, you see questions from exercise 2.2. Question number 1 given here, निम्नलिखित को सिद्ध कीजिए, प्रूव करना है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एंड दिस इज एक्सरसाइज 2.2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, थ्री साइन इनवर्स x, 3 sin inverse x equals sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, and here given condition x belongs to closed interval 1/2 minus 1/2. Sorry, minus 1/2, 1/2. बच्चों ये जो कंडीशन गिवन है इसका हमें यूज नहीं करना है, हमें केवल यहाँ प्रूव करके दिखाना है 3 sin इनवर्स x इक्वल sin इनवर्स 3x माइनस 4x क्यूब। For proving this, let sin inverse x equal theta, then we get x equal sin theta, we will use identity sin 3 theta, since sin 3 theta equal 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. We may write 3 theta equal sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Put the value of theta and sin theta, we get 3 sin inverse x equals sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Hence prove. Second question given, prove that 3 cos inverse x equal cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x and given x belongs to closed interval 1 by 2 1. For proving question number 2, you use identity cos 3 theta equal 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta and let cos inverse x equal theta. You prove this yourself. Question number 3. Question number 3. For proving given tan inverse 2 by 11, tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equal tan inverse 1 by 2. बच्चों यहाँ tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 को tan inverse 1 by 2 के इक्वल प्रूव करना है और tan inverse x plus tan inverse y इक्वल tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy when xy is less 1. You are seeing here 2 by 11 into 7 by 24 will be is less 1. So here apply in LHS tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We may write tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. Here you understand x equal 2 by 11 and y equal 7 by 24. Then we may write tan inverse x plus y 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus xy 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Simplify this. We may write tan inverse 11 into 24. Here LCM will be 11 into 24. Here 48 plus 77 divided by 11 into 24, 11 4 ja 44, 11 2 ja 22 and 4 26 minus 14 divided by 11 into 24. This will be cancelled and we get, see here, tan inverse is 7, 15, 7, 4, 11 and 1, 12 divided by here 0, 5 and 2, and this will be equal to tan inverse 1 by 2, who is right hand side. So this proved. Next, question number 4. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal tan inverse 31 by 17. See question number 4. Tan inverse x here given 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal tan inverse 31 by 17. Tan inverse 31 by 17. Left hand side given 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Here apply 2 tan inverse x equal tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, and you understand here x equal 1 by 2. We may write tan inverse 2x 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x square 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. This cancel. Tan inverse 1 by 4 minus 1 will be 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7, and this will be equal to tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now we apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus xy 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. Simplify this. Tan inverse, here LCM 21, 28 plus 3 divided by 21 minus 4 will be 17 by 21. Here 21 will be cancelled, so we get tan inverse 31 by 17. This is RHS. Next question number 5. Tan inverse 1 under root 1 plus x square minus 1. See here, question number 5. Tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Minus 1 divided by x. And x is not equal 0. बच्चों यहाँ ये कंडीशन x is not equal 0 केवल इसके लिए गिवन है कि यदि x इक्वल 0 तब ये गिवन फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट नहीं होगा, मीन्स अपरिभाषित होगा। और इस गिवन फंक्शन को सरलतम रूप में लिखना है, मीन्स शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है। फॉर दिस let x equal tan theta, then theta equal tan inverse x. We may write tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. We simplify this, we get tan inverse, since you know that 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta, and square root of sec square theta will be sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. We may write this tan inverse 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta divided by sin theta divided by cos theta. Tan inverse 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Since you know that already cos theta equal 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, and here cos theta cancel, and we may write sin theta as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. We may write tan inverse 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here 2 cancel, sin theta by 2 cancel, we get tan inverse tan theta by 2 sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 will be equal to tan theta by 2. Since tan inverse tan theta equal theta, so we get theta by 2 and put here value of theta, who will be equal to tan inverse x. We may write 1 by 2 tan inverse x. This will be answer. Now you try remaining questions from this exercise, and if any problem you write in comment box. That's all in this video. All the best.